In this video, I will show you step-by-step process how we can easily buy barcode. Now, the first thing that you want to do, I'm going to switch my screen now, is to scroll down below to the description and click on link. You will get on this website called Barcodes Talk, and it's one of the best websites in my opinion that can help you to buy barcodes and use them. Now, there are two things that I really like about barcodes, three things. First thing is that you get plenty of resources about barcodes here for what you want to use it, UPC numbers, and then also labels, overview. And you see right here, and their customer support is really great. Now, what you need to do if you would like check up the reviews and everything. The first thing that I recommend to do is go to top right, and when you're gonna click login, just create account here. Don't have account, create new account, add an email address here, password, confirm password, and right there you can simply click here, buy barcodes. And now you have option to buy 10 barcodes, 25 barcodes, 50 barcodes. So let's say I'm going to buy these 25 barcodes here. And as you can see on the right side, instant digital delivery, beware of fakes, UPC earn barcodes included, JPEG images included, certificate of assignment, Excel PDF spreadsheet, everything. Then what you have to do, like let's say one barcode, you click purchase. And look at this, quantity, item barcodes 1. Of course, you can change the quantity of it. And in the moment when you're going to change the quantity, this is really important. The more barcodes you're going to buy, the cheaper it's going to be, right? See? And that's really great. Now I'm going to click here, purchase. Then let's say I'm going to have only one here. Or I can go 10. Completely up to you. You can switch it as much as you want. Then proceed to checkout. And then what you have to do is just simply add an email address. But again, if you already create your account, you don't have to do it. Like this. Next step. And we're gonna wait here until it loads. And now you're gonna add a company name. So we have also the certificate of authenticity. And now you go like this, United States, you just add your country here, Slovak Republic. Like this. And I'm going to add everything here. And city. Like this. Next step. And then you're gonna add a payment method here. And you can pay with multiple, see, credit card or PayPal. So I'm going to pay with a PayPal. Next step. And you just wait until it loads. I agree with terms above. And again, you can add a comment. And again, you click next step. And you just wait here until it loads. See? Okay. Review my order. And now when you have it, this is the email and everything. Done, pay now. And I'm going to pay with a PayPal. So I will just log in here. Give me a second. So it's safe. And I'm going to add a password right here. I'm signing up to my PayPal account. Now I'm going to add and get a message on my phone to verify my email address. And look at this, 6-digit code. 167769. And now I just wait. And I will show you straight away. Pay now. So right now it's paying. Look at this, you paid $5. Barcodes, okay. Payment completed. And now what I have to do is to simply go to Gmail account. I get account created. And here's your order receipt. So paid in full, you see that it's working and it's working really well. And this is pretty much it, how you do it. There's nothing to be afraid of. And look at this. Here we got it. EN certificate that I got. Issue date. Everything. Print labels, FAQ, EN. Cancel. And this is the barcode number that I have. And this is pretty much it, how we do it, right? So this is how you can simply buy barcodes, and this is what you will get. Images here. See? Simple as that. So this is how you can buy barcodes. It's nothing really hard to do. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, provide you some guidance. If you can have more specific questions, I would definitely recommend writing to Barcodes Talk. And yeah, thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.